If you're eager to boost the speed of your Windows 11 PC or resolve those annoying glitches, this guide is your go-to solution. The straightforward process of clearing the cache is a powerful maintenance technique that can significantly enhance your system's performance and the reliability of your apps. Cache stores temporary data to speed up how quickly your computer loads apps and websites, but over time, a corrupted or overloaded cache can slow things down. Regularly clearing the cache frees up space, resolves errors, and keeps everything running smoothly. However, it's important to note that clearing the cache can also remove some saved data, such as website preferences or login information. Before you start, it's a good idea to back up important files, such as passwords and bookmarks. Before we dive in, I've got something special for you. I've put together a free AI tools guide packed with the latest free AI tools that can help you ditch pricey software and boost your productivity. To get your hands on it, simply sign up for my email list through the link in the description below, and I'll send it right to your inbox. Don't miss out on this exclusive resource. Let's start by addressing the temporary files that are accumulating on your system. Simply open the search bar, type disk cleanup, and select it. Ensure your main drive, usually C:, is chosen, then click OK. Scroll down and select temporary files along with any other files you wish to remove. Click Cleanup System Files, confirm, and then Delete Files. Depending on your PC, this may take a few minutes, but it's straightforward. If your Microsoft Store apps won't download or launch, resetting the store cache often fixes the problem. Close the Store app, press Windows plus R to open Run, type wsreset.exe, and hit Enter. A blank window pops up briefly, then the store restarts with a fresh cache. Experiencing internet hiccups or can't access some websites? You may have a corrupt DNS cache. Search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. This resets domain name lookups and can fix connection issues. If your file explorer is slow or freezes, clearing its history cache can help. Open File Explorer, click the three dots at the top right, select Options, and under the General tab, click Clear in the Privacy section. This resets the Explorer's cache and can speed up loading. Browser slowdowns? Clearing the cache regularly prevents corruption-related delays. Here's how on the top 3 Windows 11 browsers: Chrome, 3-dot menu, More Tools, Clear Browsing Data, check Cached Images and Files. Choose Time Range, Clear Data. Firefox, Menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Clear History, check Cache, select Time Range, Clear. Edge, Menu, Settings, Privacy, Search and Services. Choose what to clear: Cached Images and Files. Time Range, Clear Now. If you use other browsers, similar steps should apply. Extra tip for speeding up Windows 11: disable startup programs. Many apps launch automatically when your PC boots, which can slow down startup and overall performance. To fix this, open Task Manager, Control+Shift+Escape, go to the Startup tab, and disable apps you don't need immediately. These could be apps that you rarely use or that are not essential for your PC's basic functions. This can dramatically improve boot times and free up resources. How often to clear cache? For optimal performance, clear the cache every few weeks or anytime you notice sluggishness or strange app behavior. What if problems persist? If clearing the cache and disabling startup apps don't help, check for Windows updates, scan for malware, or consider reinstalling troublesome apps. Don't forget to grab our free AI tools guide from the link in the description. It's packed with game-changing AI tools that can supercharge your creative workflow and replace even more expensive software. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you speed up your Windows 11 PC, hit like, share, and leave your questions or video ideas in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to stay updated on more handy Windows tips from our channel. Catch you next time.